We just got here to the Yellow Beach Club.
Cheers. What you got there, babe?
I really like to play pool. It's been a while. Better than we are.
But me, no Man United fan, Arsenal fan. Yeah, boo! Oh, where'd the music go?
Now they shine for you. Look how they shine.
We are back out again to the beach for our second evening out here. We had a rainy night for 2 nights in a row, so we weren't able to get out and do much. The beach looks a bit busier today than it was the other night. People are playing volleyball. Sunset's this direction. But I think we're going to head over to the Yellow Bar. We like to sit there, good price for drinks, and then we'll probably go through and check out the other restaurants and fire shows, and yeah, but it's beautiful. Everyone's enjoying it. It's been kind of difficult to get out and about. We have a lot of activities that we'd like to do. We want to go ATVing. We want to go up to the cable car. You know, we want to do some boat tour.
Yeah, well, it's been nice. It's nice that the rain's finally stopped. That's the biggest thing.
Exactly.
It's been great. I mean, we've enjoyed it so far. And even when we're not out, we're home and we're working and getting videos done for you, so
that's right, exactly.
We've got to find the time to do that at some point.
Even though the internet is ever so slightly slacking, like
yeah, that's true.
8 upload and 8 download when you're trying to daily vlog with 4K makes it a bit challenging. Sorry for yesterday's video. For some reason there was difficulties with the translation, so if you guys use the subtitles, that's why. We just got here to the Yellow Beach Club. So we just arrived. It's currently 7:35. The vibe on the beach is amazing, really chill. It's really overcast today, so you can't really see the sunset quite as nice as I'm sure you can, but good thing we're here for a whole week. So we'll have lots to show you guys. This is definitely the more tourist kind of area. We love it so far. It has a little bit of everything. So we're looking forward to showing you guys, but we're here to have a drink and relax and enjoy ourselves for night one. So the last time that we were here, you saw we had some drinks. We didn't get any food last time aside from the garlic bread, so I think this time we're going to try something off of the menu so we can show you guys. We'll show you what we get when it comes. Look at the view.
Cheers. What you got there, babe?
Home garden. I mean, I haven't had a home garden since I was in Canada.
Look at this place. Yeah.
So the last time we played pool was in Vietnam, and before that, I think the last time was like in Egypt in Alguna. We really like to play pool. It's been a while. Here's the bar. Yeah, he's got a football. He's kicking a football. Alright, let's watch Leon go. That was a little jet break.
Safe break. Alright, okay.
I found this little guy here watching, so he's part of my team. Leon's teaching him how to play.
Okay, there. 2, 2, and 1.
So he's my
Look in the
teammate.
middle, like this. Voila.
Wow, better than Leon. Very good. That's good. Good job. Thank you. Tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah. Yes? Tomorrow? At what time?
Tomorrow, cross.
Okay. Thank you. What do you say?
Alright, DJ, play the music.
Yeah, like me, I was born in Canada. My family, all my family
You're from Langkawi with your husband.
Me from England.
My husband is from England. He was born in England. But all his family is from Cyprus. Cyprus? Yeah, Cyprus is like Greece.
Oh, Greece.
Like not Greece, a small little island. From Cyprus.
But me, no Man United fan, Arsenal fan.
Arsenal.
We're Arsenal fans.
United.
Yeah, boo.
Are you going to be there tomorrow?
We'll come see you tomorrow, boss. No problem. Take care, boss. Bye. Bye. Oh, where'd the music go?
How they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. And stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do. the beach party since 2007, everybody.